Yo, as you guys see, I lost a lot of weight. It used to stress me out, but right now, low key, it doesn't no more because I know how to get it back. The thing is, now also, I realize that it's like if you lose weight or something like that, it's fine, or you gain weight, it's fine because there's a lot of things that I have to like adjust in my life right now. That's why I'm not really stressing, but I'm gonna show you guys the starting point right now, and I'm about to get it back. That's the most important thing. So this is the starting point right now, right here. I mean, I already started. I'm lifting a little bit so you can see it's defined. And then this is the back. My legs, I know people be coming at me, but it's already like happening. So this is what I want to say. Let's get it.